Hey guys, it is my Pioneer Alox teardown day. I thought I might film this to show people how I take apart my Pioneers. I actually used to do it a lot more complicated way, but right now I have done this so much I've kind of got a system to it, and it's pretty quick now. The most important thing is a center drill in a drill press. That's the easiest way to take out the meat of the rivet head. Other tools I use, just a hammer. This is a punch that I made very thin. It's about 2 millimeters at the end for a fair distance. I actually did that on a grinder. It's a nice way to punch the head out and be able to go deep. This is just an auto punch I use to mark the center rivet. I only punch the center one because I find it hard to do without a start. And then vice grips to rip out the head. Rip out the rivet once I drill it out. I just wanted to give you a little rundown before I started, because I always wear a respirator when I work because my shop's very dusty and I won't be able to talk. So I'll just go ahead and take apart a Pioneer and you guys can see how I do it. All right? And I think you guys have the idea. I won't film the rest of them, but that's pretty much how I do it. All right, thanks guys.